Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Amazon Prime Video on any smart TV. Alright, let's begin. If you want to watch Amazon Prime Video on your smart TV, there are two simple ways to do it. First, grab your TV remote and press the Apps or Home button. From there, open your TV's App section. If your TV has an App Store, open it. On some TVs, you may need to select the search icon instead. Once you are in the search area, type in Prime Video. When Amazon Prime Video appears in the results, select it and choose Install. Wait for the app to download, then open it. You can now sign into your Amazon account or create one and start watching shows and movies. If your smart TV does not have an app store or you cannot find Prime Video, there is another option. You can use a streaming device such as an Amazon Fire TV stick. Plug the Fire TV stick into an HDMI port on your TV and connect it to power. Switch your TV input to that HDMI source and follow the setup steps. The Fire TV stick includes an app store with Prime Video already available. Open the app, sign in, and start streaming. So that's basically how you can install Amazon Prime Video on any smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks!